Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 20th, our word of the day is jocose. 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 Jocose is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Jocose means humorous or playful. Your friend Robert, who always makes funny observations and light-hearted quips. He's jocose, meaning he's good-humored and jokes around a lot. Similar words include blithe, blithesome, festive, gay, gleeful, jocular, jocund, jolly, jovial, laughing, merry, mirthful, sunny. Examples of sentences using jocose are: Larry, who was usually so jocose, said he didn't have time for pranks. His jocose manner was unsuitable for such a solemn occasion. Asked if he could afford a lawyer, he became jocose. He would have tried to persuade him in a very jocose way. He is such a jocose actor. The comedian's jocose introductions kept the awards ceremony from becoming a boring affair. Make sure to save this new word, jocose, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.